The incident is 10/11/2024, and the prosecutrix has been recovered on 12/11/24. They stayed for 3 days. If I may just point out, the 164 statement at which
date of incident 10/11/24.
10/11/24 and recovered on 12/11/24. 3 days they stayed together. My page 32 is the 164 statement.
Page 32.
32, yes. As per date of birth, she is 16 years and 8 months. As per X-ray report, she is 16 to 18. That's the ossification test, which is part of the charge sheet. Charge sheet is filed. मेरी दीदी की शादी परासिया गिरतगंज में हुई। रामपाल एरवा निवासी सचिन सच करीब 3 महीने पहले से जानती हूँ। करीब 3 महीने पहले मैं अपनी दीदी के घर परासिया में जन्मदिन के कार्यक्रम में गई थी। तब से वो मेरी रामपाल से पहचान हुई। रामपाल जन्मदिन के कार्यक्रम में आया, वहां से मेरे मोबाइल चार्ज लगा था। तब रामपाल ने मोबाइल से मेरा नंबर निकाला। इसके बाद रामपाल मुझे फोन किया। तब से मेरी रामपाल से बातचीत होती थी। 10/11/24 को रात 1 बजे रामपाल मुझे लेने आया, मेरे घर के बाहर आया। मेरे रामपाल से पहले बात हो गई थी। फिर रामपाल मुझे लेकर घर से बिलवानी गया, वहां पर कोई नहीं था। रामपाल मेरे साथ 1-2 बार शारीरिक संबंध बनाए। फिर आज पुलिस और मेरे भैया बिलवानी लेकर आ गए। सो दे were found together. The present applicant is 18 years. Page 26 will also may see. In fact, page 29 is the ossification report, the X-ray report. She is found to be between 16 to 18. As far as the scholar register is concerned, page 28, she is 16 years and 8 months. Charge sheet is filed. Present applicant is 18. Har jagah MLC, everywhere she is saying that she voluntarily pled they were together. And applicant in the MLC also, his MLC is also done. He is found to be 18. Charge sheet is filed behind bars since 13. Samagra ID, all that she is 20. वो बाकी documents में वो है. Ossification test report में 16 to 18 आया.
16/13/2008 का डेट ऑफ बर्थ है। 10/11/2024 का डेट ऑफ इंसिडेंट है। 16 साल 7 माह कुछ दिन की एज है। और 161 और 164 में इस एलिगेशन के बाद एक लाइन और है कि जब मैं 3 महीने पहले मैं अपने दीदी के घर परासिया गई थी, तब भी वहां पर रामपाल ने मेरे साथ एक बार और रेप किया था। लास्ट में आया हुआ है 164 में।
कोर्ट का स्टेटमेंट तो होने दीजिए।
29 में सी इट्स अ केस ऑफ लव अफेयर। 18 साल का लड़का है कुछ में। And your lordship, page 29. Why I'm saying that charge sheet is filed. The girl admittedly is saying it's a case of a love affair. She's voluntarily fled, stayed together for 3 days. So my submission is that it is not a case of any forceful sexual activity. The age is under doubt. Ossification is done by the prosecution itself. It says 16 to 18. So it's not a case of 15 or below 15. I have a number of cases I've considered that where if it's a case of 16 and above. And have also considered this is a case of 16 years and 8 months on the date of incident. Everything taken into account, it's a question of trial. I'm not fleeing away. He's a first time offender. 18 साल का खुद है. Lordship, see the MLC of the boy as well. He's found to be 18. He'll be spoiled in the company of hardened criminals behind bars. An 18-year-old boy is just on the verge. He's completed 18. The present applicant. Charge sheet has been filed. So for waiting for the prosecutrix to examine, I would not even come near to the prosecutrix. Not even be in contact. May have strict conditions on that. The nature of the offence itself is a case of a love affair.
It is submitted to London Council. That age of that in ossification test, age of prosecutrix was found between 16 to 18 years. Age of the present applicant is approximately 18 years. It is further submitted that this is a case of love affair. That it has been filed. He come the card smart.
समग्र आईडी में लड़की की 19 लिखी हुई है। आई एम जस्ट पॉइंटिंग ऑन मल्टीपल डॉक्यूमेंट्स जिसमें अलग अलग है। ट्रायल कोर्ट ने भी उसको ऑब्जर्व किया कि उसके हिसाब से अडल्ट है।